welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me inside my straight pipe BMW M4. And today we're heading to a PML Quickstrike on Sunset Boulevard here in Los Angeles. There's gonna be a lot of hypercars, supercars, a whole bunch of M cars and AMGs. Pretty much every kind of car is gonna be turning up to this event. I believe daily driven exotics gonna be heading here as well. With less being said, let's go ahead and pull up to the event. So before we continue on with today's video, we get to thank the sponsor, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber offers real and genuine carbon fiber accessories like this brand new forged carbon fiber money clip, which is a nice minimalistic form of holding your credit cards, your ID, and even some cash. Not only that, they also have traditional carbon fiber accessories that directly matches the carbon fiber inside of your car. They have other accessories like watches, sunglasses, phone cases, phone mounts, and more. Make sure you click the links in the description, use the code BF10 for 10% off. And with less being said, let's get back on the road and get on with today's video. As you can see, the meet is just a couple minutes up the road, so let's go ahead and pull up, park up, and see what kind of cars. So right here we got the M4 parked up right on Sunset Boulevard. You see the Hollywood Hills are right there. Found a few friends, E92 M3 and an M340. You can see his RX-7 right there. The event's going on all right here. So we're gonna walk around a bit and see what kind of cars are here. So we were here about a month ago. As you can see, this time they have a cop here just sitting here and waiting. It's old school. Muscle build, this is nice. That is nice. Beautiful Huracan. Look at the body kit on this thing. Full carbon fiber. Maybe Vorsteiner, but this is a good looking Lambo. Basically what my car would look like if it was a Lambo. Same spec, same Merino Blue M6 right there as well. Oh, we got the first two cops here today. Nice orange McLaren 720S. You see one cop, two cops. There goes Aura. Supercharged E46. Oh, check out these green Alphas. Check out this Ariel Atom. I've only seen a few of these in the flesh. Wow. Oh my God. The turning radius on this Mercy. Boy, these guys pulled up deep. Murcielago. Big. Wow. Check out the E46 M3 wagon owned by Carbon-tastic. Beautiful spec. Look at that. Hey! Ooh, clean. At this point, people are still waking up, but we're getting some more cars to turn up, then we're gonna hit the road. Damn, they got the 7-Eleven pumping. You got a Murcielago, McLaren. Here we got another cop on the scene. Nice STO. Those are nice, but this M2 is also nice. So if you guys don't know how these events work, basically start point, end point, who can get there the quickest and the safest. So got a few more cars that are gonna be showing up here in a second. Not the GTR, jeez. Yo, that's how yours is supposed to sound, so you guys can take notes. Oh, we got the helicopter. Yeah, they're circling us for sure. We got another cop. They are out in full effect today, that is for sure. Another one. There goes Dave in the new wide body urine.
If you're parked in the middle of Sunset Boulevard, please move your vehicles out of traffic. You cannot park in the middle of the street. This is the Los Angeles Police Department. Anybody parked in the middle of Sunset Boulevard, please move your vehicles. You cannot park in the middle of the street.
Well, as you heard, the LAPD said you can't park in the middle of the street, so they're asking everybody to leave. We're gonna see how that plays out. I doubt that's gonna happen, but we're gonna sit here and find out. I believe they're also closing the street. A lot of cops in every direction. Yet another cop. No, he's getting that shot.
I don't care about driving.
Right.
I'll get that shot.
It's honestly kind of epic with the clouds looking like that.
Yeah, with those palm trees.
Yeah. Riding that. Dude, they blocked off the entire street. Cop car. That's crazy. I can't imagine trying to commute to work when you come across this kind of event. So my friend David bought Khaled's Urus, so we're gonna walk over and check it out in person. Damn, the helicopter is loud. You're gonna have to excuse me, but this is apparently Khaled's Urus. So they built this wide body. I think it's definitely sick in person. You can even check out the hood. That is nice. And this ST over here is not bad as well.
The inside here, you can check it out. It's just regular inside.
Okay.
It's just normal, right? Like you feel like you're driving a normal SUV until you put in Corsa and you launch it and stuff like that.
And then it comes alive and everything.
Alive. But exterior, I mean, you can't. You know,
right, yeah.
The wide body looks like
insane. He says regular interior, but this is pretty high end if you ask me. Wow.
Like a day. Yeah. In DRL?
So they brought the tow truck. Obviously, all of these cops shut down the intersection, but that tow truck's about to start towing cars parked in the middle. R34. So it looks like people are loading up inside their cars. So we're gonna hop inside the M4, get on the road, see what the rest of the day has in store for us. So here we are back inside the M4, and we have Need for Speed moment around us right now. A whole bunch of cars, AMGs, M's, supercars, starting to rev up their motors and get ready for the drop. We're gonna try and work our way to the front as best we can, but they're still circling us. It's pretty wild. Oh, Josh getting a ticket. Oh man. this like dune buggy, straight out like GTA or something like that. That's pretty cool. Nice M4 GTS getting active. As you can see, we are off the highway. We are behind the M4 GTS, which is beautiful. Has us about 3 minutes away from the meet, so we're gonna go ahead, make some noise, and pull up. So we just pulled up to the event. Let's go ahead and park up and see what kind of cars are at this event. Here we got the M4 parked up. So that was pretty crazy, man. That's the most cops I've ever seen at any event. On top of that, the helicopter followed us for a solid 20 miles after leaving the meet. So now we're just gonna walk around a bit, see what else is here. Clean RX-7, I like that. So what do you guys think? Is the G80 front end growing on you? It is growing on me a bit, especially with these new carbon fiber grills, but I think the car definitely looks better in a darker color. This Brabus G-Wagon, this is sick. Wheels and that. I must say I hate G-Wagons, but this one is amazing. Check out this purple Murcielago. The wheels on this thing too. Maybe the cleanest spec Mercy I've ever seen. Oh, that is clean. Nice purple Aston Martin as well. Jeez, look at that. Man, check out the turnout. He's revving the shit out of this Huracan. I love it. that'll just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.